Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest updates, in-depth reviews, and expert insights into the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in motorcycling history, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet. This legendary machine has received a modern makeover, while retaining the classic charm riders have loved for decades. Let's explore what makes the new Bullet a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. Timeless design with a modern touch. The 2025 Bullet stays true to its retro roots, with its iconic teardrop fuel tank, hand-painted pinstripes, and signature thump. However, it now features subtle refinements, like a redesigned LED headlamp, sleeker tail section, and new alloy wheels that give it a contemporary edge. The overall design reflects Royal Enfield's dedication to preserving legacy while embracing modern aesthetics. Upgraded performance and engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Bullet is powered by the refined 349 cubic centimetre single-cylinder, air oil-cooled engine borrowed from the Meteor and Classic 350. This engine delivers smoother performance, improved throttle response, and reduced vibrations. With 20.2 horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque, the Bullet is perfect for both city cruising and open-road adventures. Technology meets tradition. While the Bullet remains proudly analog in many ways, it now features an updated instrument cluster with a digital fuel gauge and trip meter. The addition of Royal Enfield's tripper navigation system in select variants is a welcome upgrade for riders who crave both direction and nostalgia. Ride comfort and handling. The chassis has been tweaked for better stability and comfort. A telescopic front fork and twin rear shock absorbers ensure a smooth ride, while the improved braking system with single-channel or dual-channel ABS boosts safety on all terrains. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of legacy, passion, and timeless style. Whether you're a long-time fan or a new rider, this bike delivers an unmatched blend of tradition and technology. Stay tuned to Next Gen Reviews for more automotive insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.